Good morning. Today we are on Unit 8, Lesson 3. The title of today's lesson is Make Coin Conversions. We're going to start out with a word problem this morning, and I don't want you to draw coins right now. I would like you to use sticks and circles to solve the following word problem. I have 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. How many cents do I have? Solve that problem using just sticks and circles. All right. So in order to solve this problem using sticks and circles, I'm going to start here with my dimes. I know that dimes are worth 10 and sticks are worth 10. So I'm going to start out with 3 sticks to represent my dimes. Next, I'm going to go to my nickel. And I know a nickel is a group of 5 pennies. So that's the same as 5 circles, since those are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 2 pennies, and those are also ones. Now let's count. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I have 37 cents. Here is our next problem. Mrs. Langamo has 5 dimes, 1 nickel, and 8 pennies. How many cents does she have? Again, using just sticks and circles, solve that problem. All right, Mrs. Langamo has 5 dimes, 1 nickel, and 8 pennies. How many cents does she have? Let's start with our 5 dimes. That is 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 nickel. That is 1 group of 5. And 8 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count and see how much money we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Mrs. Langamo has 63 cents. What I notice here is I can make a new 10. So I could have counted that quickly if I had made a 10 when I saw my 10 circle. So let's go over here to this set of ones at the top. So I can count off 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can make a new 10. Now let's recount. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So that is how we make a new 10. This problem says Yoshi has 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 7 pennies. How many cents does she have? Please solve that equation using sticks and circles. And if you are able to make a new 10, circle it and show a new 10. All right. Yoshi has 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 7 pennies. How many cents does she have? Let's see how much money Yoshi has and if we are able to make a new 10. Let's start with our dime. 1 dime is 1 10. Nickel. 1 nickel is a group of 5. And 7 pennies. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see here that I have made a new 10. I see 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count. 10, 20, 21, 22. Yoshi has 22 cents. Rick has 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 6 pennies. How many cents does he have? Solve this using sticks and circles, and if you can make a new 10, circle that new 10. All right. Rick has 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 6 pennies. How many cents does he have? 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30. So there are our 3 dimes, our 3 tens. 1 nickel is a group of 5. And 6 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can see I made a new 10. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Rick has 41 cents. Now we're going to pretend like we're going shopping. We bought a toy baseball for 38 cents and a toy car for 44 cents. We need to figure out how much money we owe to pay the cashier for these 2 toys that we are buying. So I'd like you to use sticks and circles, see if you can make a new 10, and tell me how much money did you spend buying a toy baseball and a toy car. Sorry about that. My teaching partner Wojo is back today and he's fell asleep. So now he had a little bad dream. Okay, here we go. 38 cents, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, plus 44. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So now I'm going to count and see if I can make a new 10. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take my pen and circle and recount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was able to make a new 10. Now I will count my total. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. We spent 82 cents shopping for a toy baseball and a toy car. So 38 cents plus 44 cents equals 82 cents. Now we're going shopping again. This time we bought a camera for 36 cents and a toy airplane for 5 cents. I would like you to write the equation, to add the two together, and I'd also like you to solve it using sticks and circles and see if you can make a new 10. All right, we are buying a camera and a toy airplane. The camera is 36 cents. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And the airplane is 5 cents. So no tens in that one, just ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to count and see if I can make a new 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can make a new 10. So I'm going to circle my 10. And now I will count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. We would spend 41 cents if we were to buy a toy camera for 36 cents and a toy airplane for 5 cents. 36 cents plus 5 cents equals 41 cents. We were able to make that new 10. On your math page today, you are going to be doing some word problems, adding dimes, nickels, and pennies. I'd like you to solve that using sticks and ones and circle if you are able to make a new 10. And at the bottom, just like we were doing now, we're going to be shopping. You're going to be buying things and figuring out the total spent to buy the two items. Again, use sticks and circles and circle if you're able to make a new 10. On the review side, the remembering, you're going to be reviewing time, patterns, and measurement. If you have any questions, remember you can always reach out through Seesaw, Remind, or email. Thank you.